Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen, and I'll guide you step by step so you can enjoy smooth streaming with your friends. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Discord app or browser version. Once it's open, go to the bottom left corner and click on the small gear icon next to your username. This opens the user settings menu where all Discord preferences are located. Step 2. In the user settings menu, use the search bar at the top and type hardware acceleration. You'll see the video hardware acceleration option appear. If it's turned on, click the toggle to turn it off, and then click OK if prompted. This prevents Discord from interfering with Netflix streaming and fixes the black screen issue. Step 3. Open your browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the browser settings search bar, type Graphics. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's on, turn it off, then relaunch your browser to apply the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and easy tech tutorials.